Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I have here something from playforbeans.com. I got the Mackie Drop, and I am ready to just jump right into it, and yeah, just get going. Playforbeans.com is run by Mark Chang, and he is super nice. That's who I bought this from. And yeah, I am super excited to open this and check out this Mackie Drop. You guys should check out Play for Beans and order from there, because Mark Chang is super cool. And yeah, he's just a really nice guy. Wow, cool. I got the zirconium stone-washed one, and we are gonna open that. What is this? Some stuff. I opened it upside down, I think. I don't know. Okay, that's all the extra. Take out all the fluff. Playforbeans.com. Wow, that's shiny. Some beans. Cardboard beans. And then let's check out what's in here. Oh, cool. The button. Oh, right, and the extra stuff. So this is extra stuff for some other things that I have. He makes his own accessories, so he provided me with some stuff to try. These are, I think, POM, or I think they are Delrin balls for the deep fried dough stick, the top D. Yeah, so I'm gonna try that. It's gonna be a different video. And then these are for the One Pal. Different videos. And then provided with the pouch. So nice. He is so nice. Let's open that. I love these Mackie boxes. Oh, right, and also open the button. Skull button. Sweet. So nice. Thank you so much, Mark. Now for the main event. So cool. Oh. I got so excited, forgot to check. Let's do the accessories first. Mackie sticker. Migo designed, and bearing and tool. Okay. The Mackie Drop. Cool. It looks very nice. It spins nice. Well. Spins well. Grammar. I went to school. It spins very well. Damn. Damn, this thing is nice. This is underrated. How does nobody like... I haven't really seen anybody with this. $65.34. I know it's like always on the website, whatever. But I always like to just do it on the... So it was 65 grams, and it is about 42.7 millimeters, right? No. 43.6. 43.5 millimeters. I should measure and look at it instead of using the camera to look at it. All right, now let's change the buttons. It's number 117 out of 150. So these are, it's just magnetized, held in by magnets. It still spins really well. Not sure how to make the ratchet attachment. Oh, now I don't know how to get it back off. Well, it lives there now, guys. How do you get it to be the ratchet attachment? Oh God. What did I do? Huh. I can't pull it apart now. It's stuck forever. And I don't know how to make it the ratchet. Maybe it's not a ratchet. Maybe I just have the button. Well. I don't know. Alright, guys. Well, I don't think I can change it back. Oh well, I like this skull button. Thank you so much, Mark, if you see this video. And yeah, so this is the Mackie Drop, and it is awesome, and I love it, and it's cool as hell, super fun. Highly recommend. Underrated. And that's about it, guys. So, yeah, let me know your thoughts. Put them in the comments. Tell me what I did wrong. if I did something wrong in putting on this button. Or if you know how to remove it. But yeah. So yeah, please like this video. Please subscribe. Please have a fantastic day. That is the end. Have a good one until the next time we see each other. Until the next video, guys. All right. Bye.